Hello everyone. Today we will be adding two 3-digit numbers using partial sums. Along with using partial sums, we're also going to show our model or our base 10 blocks. I'm going to quickly explain to you the ones place. These little squares are called units or ones. In the tens place, the long skinny lines are tens. And then in the hundreds place, these squares are called hundreds. And I always let my students know that it's important to label the value of each model. So as you can see, each flat, they're also called flats, so you might hear that as well. Each flat is worth 100. Each 10 rod is worth 10. Each unit is worth 1. So using partial sums, always put the biggest number on top and of course the smallest number on the bottom, and then you're ready to add. So what partial sums does, it breaks down the numbers according to place value. So you're finding the value of each place. So you can start with the ones, or you can start with the hundreds. Because I always tell my kids to start with the ones place, I'm going to start with the ones place. It's just that down here, you're going to put the value of your ones here. In the middle, you're going to put your value of your tens, and then on top, you're going to put the value of your hundreds. So 5 plus 8 is 13. So the value of the ones place is 13. And then the value of the tens, so it's like saying 20 plus 40, because these are tens. If you count by tens 2 times, you'll get 20. If you count by tens 4 times, you'll get 40. So 40 plus 20 is 60. And now you want to add up the value of the hundreds. 400 plus 100 is 500. This is probably one of the easiest ways, aside from just making the model with the base 10 blocks, to add if your scholar is struggling. And so you just add the numbers down in the column. 0 plus 3 is 3. 0 plus 6 plus 1 is 7. And then 5. Nothing to add with it. It's 5. So your sum is 573. Once again, we are adding two 3-digit numbers using partial sums. When you're using partial sums, you can also make your models or your base 10 blocks that will align with each add-in. And if you add all of these together in your base 10 blocks, you'll still get 573. Partial sums is showing you the value of each place that you have, the ones, the tens, and the hundreds. I hope this helps. If it does, leave a comment below. Make sure you subscribe. Please feel free to share. If you have any questions, also leave a comment, and I'll try my best to get back to you as soon as possible. Have a great one.